Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Odd Rob. Today I'm excited to come to you from the Stockade area of Schenectady, New York. And we're down here, you can see the river behind me, and we're actually in the Stockade area. One of the things that you can see is the cannon over here to my right from the original Stockade. So listen, today I'd like to share with you a whole bunch of stuff that I enjoy doing in Schenectady. If you're ever in town, stop by, see what there is. A lot of neat stuff. All right, so let's check and see what there is to do in town. So here's Rivers Casino that's open 24/7, 365 days a year. They have slots, poker, and table games. Stop by via aquarium to see a ton of fish and walk through a cool underwater tunnel. Be sure to feed the stingrays if you're in the mood to take in a show. See what's happening at these three theaters. First, Proctor's, which was built in 1926 by F.F. Proctor. It has an amazing lobby. Then there's two community theaters, Schenectady Civic Playhouse and Slock Musical Theater. Make sure you check the schedule to see what's playing. If you're hungry and looking for some food, I have a variety for you. First, Pinhead Susan's for some pub fare. Katie O'Byrne's for some excellent Irish food. The shepherd's pie is fantastic. Or try Mexican Radio for some delicious Mexican fare. Stop by the Museum of Innovation and Science. It's fun for the whole family. While you're there, make sure you check out the planetarium. If you get the chance, stop into the new Amtrak station to get a dose of Schenectady's history. For some unique shopping, come down to J Street and check out all the cool stores. Here are a few other things to do that certainly deserve an honorable mention. Get your picture taken with the food statues out in front of Mike's First Prize Hot Dogs. While you're there, stop in for a hot dog or two with some of Mike's renowned meat sauce. If you're in the Stockade area, stop by to visit the statue of Lawrence. Finally, stop by the Axe Lounge for some indoor axe throwing fun. And for more information, check out the videos I did on all three of them. So listen, if you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe and like buttons down below. It certainly helps the channel grow. And while you're there, go ahead and drop a comment or a feedback. Always appreciated. So signing off from Schenectady, New York, I'm Odd Rob, and I just wanted to say, stay safe, stay well. You already know it. Stay odd.